Hi, my name is Jonie Bradshaw. I'm a first grade teacher at Brookwood Elementary School in Snellville, Georgia, which is part of Gwinnett County Public Schools. I started working with children of all ages at a daycare while I was getting my bachelor's from Georgia Gwinnett College. This will be my third year teaching first grade. I'm also ESOL endorsed and reading certified. My most memorable moment with giftedness, the most memorable issue I've had in dealing with giftedness was last year. I had a little girl who was gifted, and her mother thought the first grade curriculum was not challenging enough for her daughter, but at the same time did not want to have her skip first grade. What the mom failed to recognize was that even in focus, the gifted teacher does not teach these students above the first grade curriculum. They differentiate the first grade standards to make them more of a challenge. She had wanted her daughter to be learning third grade concepts in first grade. My favorite aspect of having gifted learners in my classroom is their motivation to be challenged and the challenge of having to differentiate concepts to keep them engaged. My least favorite aspect of teaching gifted learners is oftentimes they vocalize that the content is too easy for them, and this often leads other students in the class to be less willing to volunteer answers and take risks in discussions or group activities, things like that.